Okay, today we will scrap this website data Peter Hook. So especially I want to scrap this product data, product name, price, image, URL, description. So but we have to do so. First I have to copy the link of the detail page. For example, link of the product page. So this is product listing page, as you can see here, and this website is based on scroll down, infinite scroll or scroll down. Okay, so it does not have the next page button, so it is based on scroll down. So we will set up for scroll down. And to start I did this URL. Okay, like this URL will all metal or all wooden feet. Okay, from suppose if I want to scrap this, then I will all studs. Okay, so from feeds I will choose all feeds. So now this is the listing page, product listing page. Okay, and here so but I want to scrap, suppose I want to scrap all of these product categories. Then what I will do, I it has two ways to scrap. Either come from start, because these are based on hover. So but I will first copy this link, this link, this link, this link, and then I will use multiple category URL at the same time. So I'm opening that word page. Okay, so here I copied the link of this all wooden, all wooden feeds. Okay, so it all wooden, these are all wooden feeds. So I will copy this link, and I will first I will use this in that in Octoparse, and then I will bolio na. Then suppose I want to scrap this one. Okay, so I will copy this data, this link. We can use multiple URL for each separate category. It will be easier for us. So I will copy this link, and now I have collected three all gliders. Okay, and for this I do not want. Okay, so just I pasted these four links from first category, and same action I will repeat for this all Alabama, view all I will repeat for this. So just I'm going to show you to save your time. Okay, so just I will copy all these URL, and now go to the Octoparse, new custom task. Here I will paste all of these URL, and it will create loop URL action. Okay, so it will go one by one on each main category URL. This is category, this is subcategory, I think subcategory. Okay, so to start, go to the web page. You can also increase this up to 600, because sometimes if the internet speed is slow, then it might, the web page might not be fully loaded. Okay, after that as you can see here, this accept this is the actual cookies, we have to accept it. So this is pop-up, so I will click on it and click button, because this is the button. Set ajax timed out, keep it up to 30 seconds. Okay, so now it has closed. Okay, so these products are in this style, and if I want to change this style, then I will click on it. So it will be much better for me. Okay, so let's try this. And now as you can see here, the website is in this format, data is in this format. It will scroll down, keep scroll down, and scrap this data. Okay, After that, what I have to do? So we have two choices. Either we can click on it and we can auto detect this web page data, or we can also do this by clicking on it, first column, and then select all subchilds element, and then select similar group. Okay, so but I want to delete unrelated fields. I am deleting one by one. And so okay, so these are the name and this okay. After that, element data, so it will create loop here. And now I what I have to do, suppose if I click on it, it is highlighting all of these. So if we scroll down, it highlighted all of the appear. Okay, so as you can see here, it only selected from that place. Okay, it is not selecting the next. So far to go on these, all of these, so we need to add page scroll action here. What we have to do, we will add page scroll, because it will go one by one on each. So here, if I again come click on previous, here click item. So now we can, if you see outside this loop box, okay, outside this loop box, if we click on this add step, and here what we have to do to add page scrolls, click on loop. Okay, so as you can see here, it has added loop here. Now to scroll down this page, what I have to do, you have to click on this in general tab, list of URL, and scroll down. Okay, so to the bottom of the page, because the next data appears after scrolling at the bottom of the page. So as you can see here, it is loading the web page, more data. So what I have to do, to the I will select this to the bottom of the page, and here you can keep up to depending on the number of data. If this website has lot of data, then you can keep it up to 1000. You can keep it depending on how many data is available. If there is lot of data, then you can increase this. So wait 1 second, you can also increase this depending on your internet speed. So I keep 2 seconds just. So now what I have to do, I have to drag and drop this loop action inside this scroll. So this is the scroll, I am renaming this scroll down, scroll down the page. Okay, so now I will drag and drop inside this, because it will first scrap all of these highlighted area in the highlighted products here. And after that, what it will do, it will now again repeat the section. So for this, I will drag and drop inside this scroll here, scroll down. Okay, now what will it will do, it will scroll down the page and then select available data. After that, it will again scroll down the page and keep scrolling and keep extracting the data. Okay, now we are on that page, extract data here. And now what I have to do, I can rename that name of the product. Okay, so we cannot directly give this blank space in here, so I will type this hyphen. Okay, name of product, you can either, that's it. Okay, URL, product URL, product URL. Okay, so now I want to click and go inside to on the detail page to extract the more further information like description and other information available, and also the image URL in large size. Okay, so for this, because we are already in the loop, then and extract data, now I will only select the only click on the first title, and because as you can see here it has highlighted other, but I will not click on others. I will simply click on, because we already set loop item here for all of the product. So for this, for now, I will what I will click, I will do click on URL. So it will click one by one on each URL. Okay, now we are on the detail page. Here we will select our desired data to scrap, and if I hide this, so we can see here this is the name already I taken from the detail page, from the listing page, but I can also select this. Okay, so this is the name. If no, this is the SKU, so I will, if I hover over my mouse, I only want this WF slash, I only want the not SKU typed each time, so but it is not highlighting. So first I will select that, and now suppose if I want to remove this SKU, what I will do, click here, customize, not customize, again click here, clean data, and here what because I want to replace this, so I want that it should replace this text with nothing. So this, no, just a second, this text evaluate match. Now you can see here it has removed the SKU. Okay, so now here I will type SKU. Okay, so this is the price. I think they are I do not know, but you can select your desired data here. So price, I think price or sale price, I do not know what is this, and suppose I want to get the product detail. Okay, these are the product detail, product details. And another solution for this, you can select this one by one. Okay, like this. Okay, not necessary. So here I can see this is the description, so I will select this, and this is the description. Now the last thing I actually want, I want this uh, category. Okay, you can see here this is the category, so it come from home feed. This is the main category, this is subcategory, this is the type of the product, and this is the name of the product. So this is category. I can drag and drop this category at the second step or another step, so you can manage depending on your desire. The last thing I want to extract is, if I click on it, it is not highlighting the image. You can also try by this, but it is not still highlighting that image. So if I click on it, still not image for now. So what I will do, you can either try if it is taking image. Mostly it is the image exists in the image tag, but here image tag is not available. So what we Well, just a second, we can try again. Okay, for this image, it is not showing that this image is available here, so we have to find this image. Just a second, let me try if the image. Okay, if I click on it, I think no image should be, but not still. So for image, I will click on it, and then if I click text, just check image attributes. So but still image URL is not existing. We can click on it. If I show you data, so still image URL is not coming. So what we will do, just delete this. To suppose if I want to spell style, just a second, still image URL is missing. Now it means that we have to write custom XPath for this image. We have to first find in the Chrome browser this image, and after that we will decide this. Okay, so now we are going on the detail page. Here we are on the detail page, so I write this custom XPath for this, because if I click on it, okay, so this is the container of the class of this. And image URL, if you see here, image URL is .jpg. Is this is image URL is actually embedded here. So we have to write this XPath, and okay, so as you can see here, this is the class. Class is equal zoom length and div tag. So this is the, I write div tag. This is the class of the the image is, if I double click on it, as you can see here, it is the embedded URL of this image. So what I will do, I will tell that they add style. I type that add style, so it means that image is available at the style. Okay, so if I copy and click on it, text, suppose let we test it. It is I'm doing for this to, so that you will be able to completely understand how it works. So still href, still nothing. Okay, so because this image URL is exist in this HTML, so what we can do, I'm just deleting this. So I am selecting all of the HTML, okay, inner HTML, and now let me find if the image URL exists in this. So suppose clean data and add step match with regular expression here, and let's find if the image URL is available or not. So this is the HTML, and if I copy all of this, I am copy this, I will find where is the image URL available. So if I paste this, okay, I pasted here. Now let's try where the JPG file is available. Okay, so To find, control F, JPE, JPG or JPG something. So JPEG is not available. JPG. So if it highlighted this, okay, JPG, this one. So JPG. It means that this is available IMG and IMG tag. So I am selecting this, control C, and what we do, start, we will tell that image is start from this, and the ending of the image URL is this. I think so I think this one. Okay, so but we will check either this is, which one is correct. Control C, paste it over here, generate. So if I match here, you, I think it will be image URL will be here. So it shows multiple image URL. So to check which one is the best for us, what I will do, I will check either which one is correct. So are this, okay, so this is the image, and let's check which one is in high quality. So suppose this is the second image URL. Okay, so I think both are the same here. So now we have to separate that. We only want for this, just here we have to check which one is best for us. So image is equal to IMG. So at the ending, we can keep it like this. Okay. Control C. Now it is a single image URL. Okay, match, apply, confirm, apply. No, it has highlighted the image URL. Sometimes image URL is directly not available, so it is embedded image URL over here. Save, and I will increase the wait time because on my side internet speed is little bit slow. For this I will increase like up to 4 seconds. I will also increase wait time for this 3 seconds. Okay, so this is repeated, this the same data is the name. If I do not want this name, and so I can also delete this, but okay, so for check, now let's try to run it. Either it is scraping the image correctly, or if it is not going to scrap image, then we will do something more better to scrap this image. Okay, so if I show you show browser, it is opening the web page, clicking on the grid view, scroll down. If I show you event here, it scroll down, I think. Okay, now it is on this unfinished first page. It is still missing the description and image URL. Okay, so let's check if it is here. It picks the description but still image URL is missing. So for this, let's check how much it, what is it doing. So as you can see here, this price is I think missing here. So I think this price is for discount price it is not available. For some products, some product it is available. So image URL is not still scrapping. Here image URL extract data. Okay, suppose div at vs div at style see थोड़ा रहेगी. Okay, I type that image here. Over here it is still not doing something. Okay, so just description. I for image I will write custom export for this.